Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to remind you guys that aren't part of my Facebook group to go down there and join. We're having a raffle. I'll have the link for the raffle in the description. It's for a pick your prize giveaway. It's basically the money that's raised. We're going to take a portion of it and give it to the winner to choose a drone of their choice. I did say that correctly. Their choice from Amazon.com. And you'll be able to let me know, the winner will be able to let me know what they want for the amount of money that's given to them to spend, and I will be ordering it off of Amazon and shipping it directly to the winner. I really appreciate all you guys, and I really like it if everybody could at least buy one ticket. 25% of the proceeds are going to the American Cancer Society, and 25% are going to the group itself for future free giveaways. And 50% of the proceeds goes to the winner. Yes, that's what I said. 50% of the proceeds go to the winner, and the winner gets to go to Amazon.com and choose their own drone, whatever they want, for the amount of money that's 50% of the gross proceeds. So the link for the giveaway, I'm sorry, I got all choked up there. The link for the raffle and the link to my Facebook page, which I'm going to be having a giveaway tomorrow, is down in the description. So go ahead and go down there and go check out my Facebook group if you haven't been a part of it yet. Hope to see you guys, and please help us out with this. You know, the American Cancer Society puts a lot of money into research, you know, trying to find better alternative treatments and cures for cancer. I mean, and this is something that's really serious these days. And, you know, I just found out that my sister had cancer just recently, and not alone that, I lost a sister to cancer. I had cancer myself, and it really is an important thing to me. You guys, I thank you all for being here and checking out my channel. Like these videos, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace out.